Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. So for today's smoky eye, we're gonna start by applying a base like always. And I really love to use the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer as a base for my shadows. So that's what I'm gonna use. Now I'm going to apply this matte dark purple eyeshadow shade from Nabla Cosmetics called Verve into my crease and my outer corners. This is a technique that I've been doing lately. I like to press on the shadow first to get it really nice and pigmented, and then I will go in with a clean brush and I will blend it out, and I really like the effect it gives. Next, I'm picking up this lighter pinky purple eyeshadow shade called Cherie Shape, and I'm going to apply this just above the crease as a transition shade. And these eyeshadows are very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Now I'm going to apply this metallic gel liner from Inglot in the number 94 onto my lid as a base for the pure pigment eyeshadow I'm about to apply. I actually found out about this liner from Makeup with Ja because she uses it a lot, and I really love it as a base for shimmery shadows as well. This loose pigment that I'm using has a beautiful duochrome effect, and I really feel like the base brings this out even more. To highlight my inner corners, I am going to use the Lucky Green highlighter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonshine Glow Kit. I'm using it on a slightly damp brush to intensify the color a little bit. Now for my lower lash line, I'm first going to apply the same dark purple shade I used in the crease, and then I'm going to blend it out with the pinky shade. I really wanted to go all out with this look, so to make it even more sparkly, I added the Fenty Beauty Island Bling in the shade Kini onto my lid and inner corners, and this is such a beautiful green glitter shade. I'm now going to create a simple smoky liner. So first I'm going to apply the pitch black eyeshadow from Nabla Cosmetics, and then I'm going to add the black Inglot gel liner close to my lash line and blend into the shadow, if that makes sense. I like to start with the shadow first and then add the liner because I find it easier to blend. And as always, I'm going to use the Fenty Flyliner for my inner corners because it's the only one that stays without smudging on me. You guys probably know this by now. For my waterline, I'm going to be using two of the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner crayons. I'm using the shade Grapevine into the outer half, and then for my inner half, I'm using the shade Odysea. Then I'm just going to apply mascara and my favorite Russian blue lashes from Feline Lashes, and that is all for the eyes. Now let's move on to the face and add some blush. The blush I'm using here is the Anastasia Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love. Then I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Glaze All Over Luminizer in the shade Guilty, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. Last but not least, I am going to apply the Nabla Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Attractive, and then I'm adding the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow for a nice glossy finish, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!